hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel. My name is Palina and today I will recreate another makeup look for Euphoria. I want to recreate this look here from Jules. She wore this look in the beginning of season 2 when she was interrogating Elliot. I think it's a very pretty, simple, minimalistic look with a little kick with a triple white eyeliner on the eyelid, so I want to try this look out. I hope it will turn out well and I hope you will like it, so let's get started. Jules has really beautiful skin, so I'm going to moisturize my skin before makeup. I'm using this Sephora All Day Hydrator. I like this one because it's moisturizing and it has a nice grip on the skin, so it feels like makeup will stay really well on it. I'm going to use a glowy foundation for today's look and I'm using my YSL foundation. How have you guys been doing lately? I've been doing great. The weather's been getting really sunny and warm lately. It feels like that summer is already here, but suddenly today it started to really rain heavily. The sky is gray and it feels so cold. I'm only wearing this for the video because I don't want to wear my sweater and look like a couch potato, which I am. I like to drop the foundation on the back of my hand and then dot it onto my face and then blend it out with a sponge. The ending of Euphoria season 2 feels like so long ago. I have an album on my phone where I save or download pictures of makeup looks that I find interesting from shows, from celebrities, from movies. And today I went through it and I saw this makeup look from Jules that I saved long time ago, but I haven't got the chance to recreate it. So today I'm going to recreate this look from Jules. I won't be needing concealer for today's look, so I'm just going to move on to my eyebrows. I'm going to do my brows very naturally, just going to fill in a little bit color and then brush them out. Have you guys watched any interesting movies or TV shows lately? In my other videos I mentioned I was watching Breaking Bad, an older TV show. I finished it and I really hated the last few episodes. I didn't like the ending of the show. You know the kind of feeling when you watch a TV show for many seasons long and then in the last season it just didn't go the way you wanted to go, or like the ending just becomes super bad, either super sad or super, don't know, just not satisfying. It happened the same with Lucifer and with Game of Thrones. I didn't like the ending at all. My eyebrows are actually naturally very nice shaped. I would like shape them with a brow razor if they got too much out of place, but otherwise I like their natural shape. They just are not very pigmented. They're kind of like a gray color. They're not black, they're not brown, but they're kind of like dark gray, so I always draw them with an eyebrow pencil to give it some brown color. Now I'm going to take this Too Cool for School Artclass by Rodin shading powder and I'm going to bronze up my face with it. I don't care what it is, shading powder, contour powder, bronzer. I always get the warm tone shades and then just adding some warmth on my face with it. I use them all like a bronzer. I think the Koreans are amazing with their contour and shading techniques. They can really change the shape of their nose and make their face look so different when they contour. They can make their face look smaller, more chiseled. I'm just bad with contour, I don't know how to do that. Maybe because my face is so round that I don't really know how to like carve out the cheeks. Little bit on the two sides of my chin and also on my forehead. For those of you who watched Euphoria, who do you guys ship? Rue with Jules or Rue with Elliot? Or Jules with Elliot? I'm also going to take a little bit of this bronzer and sweep it onto my eyelids. I think she have a little bit of a light brown color there. Taking a little bit of the lighter shades and then sweep it onto my eyelids. I'm not really doing my makeup in order today. I think I will put this on my eyelid and then do the white eyeliner, curl my lashes, some mascara, and then go move on to blush and a little bit of a natural highlighter. You know, makeup have no rules. You can do your makeup in whichever order you want. Do you start off with eyes first, or face first, or brows first? I think everyone have like different steps in their makeup routine. Now time for the star of the show, the triple white eyeliner part. I'm going to use the NYX white liquid liner that I always use. So you'll have to draw 3 little wings on the top of your crease fold of the eyelid. Jules have different eye shapes than me. Her crease of the eyelid goes all the way onto here, I think. Mine ends there, so I'll have to adjust according to my eye shape. Let's start with the first wing. I think this position is good. Yeah. So the first outer wing should be the biggest wing. That's cute. I'm going to start with a rough sketch of the 3 wings and then we can fill in and change the shape of it. The wing the most inside, that's the smallest wing. This position. That looks good. Now we're going to fill in and add more to the shape. If you have small eyelid space, I think this look will really suit you well because it starts at the crease line. I think the three little wings look super cute. I definitely didn't do it perfectly, but they look decent and I don't know what else I can change to improve them. Now let's curl the lashes and put on mascara. People out there with naturally curled up lashes, you guys are blessed. Curled up lashes look great. Also, I painted my nails, guys. I just painted them today. I want to put on some peachy blush and then I'll tell you guys about my nails. So as a kid, I would look at my mom's nails. She was never big into makeup or nails. She doesn't have many nail polish, but I remember when she applied nail polish, she would apply this nude pink color she has. My mom never used any opaque red, black, or any colorful nail polish, no shimmery ones either, but she would get this type of nude pink nail polish that almost looks like the color of your natural nail surface, this beautiful light pink color. She would apply a layer of 2 of this and it gives her a really nice glow on the nails, but it doesn't bring much color to it, and I really like that look, so I bought myself this jelly nail polish. It looks like this when I applied. I applied 2 layers of this. They call this color watermelon pink. It's like a really beautiful orange pinkish color, like grapefruit or watermelon sheared out. It looks really pretty. Even after 2 layers, you can still see the natural surface of my nails. You can see the yellow part of my nails, and gives a really nice jelly-like glow. I really like this look. I think a little bit blush is cute with this look. Now I'm going to apply mascara. Using my Clio Lash mascara as always, this works really great with my lashes. So the last days I watched the Amazing Spider-Man movies, the ones with Andrew Garfield. In the last Spider movie with Tom Holland, I got spoiled about who would die in the Amazing Spider-Man. I'm not going to spoil you guys, but I got spoiled who would die in the Amazing Spider-Man. And I expected the Amazing Spider-Man to have 3 movies, like all the other Spider-Man movies, but turns out they only have 2. I was expecting 3 movies, so I expected the person to die in the last part, but they died in part 2, and that was really sad. The Amazing Spider-Man was really sad. Actually, the Tom Holland one was really sad too. Which one's your guys' favorite Spider-Man? Tobey Maguire, Andrew Garfield, or Tom Holland? I want to add a little bit of glow to my makeup, and Jules' look is quite natural, so I'm going to use my most natural highlighter I have. This is a Master Strobing stick from Maybelline. I bought it because of a YouTuber I watched did a drugstore back to school makeup video and she used this highlighter stick, so I bought it too. Glow is super cute. What do you guys think will happen in season 3 of Euphoria? What do you guys look forward to? And now finally for lips. It looks like Jules isn't wearing anything on her lips, not only for this look but for many of her other looks in the show as well. She has very pretty natural baby pink lips, so I'm also going to keep my lips bare and only add a lip balm. This is a Nivea Original Care lip balm. I have 5 of these right now. I'm going to put it on my lips. It's very moisturizing. Gives a really nice, very natural glow to my lips. And this is a completed makeup look. I think it turned out really well. It was really simple and easy to do, and I think it's such a cute and fun look for days where you don't want to wear so much makeup but still want a pop of something. The triple white eyeliner really did it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please take care of yourself and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!